If you're feeling overwhelmed, homesick, lonely, or overall down, you may want to speak with someone about these feelings. It's absolutely okay to feel the way you do, and we want to support you in any way possible so that you can have a healthy and happy semester abroad. Many students, especially those in an unfamiliar international setting, may want some extra support while they're abroad. This video will give an overview of the options available for mental and emotional health care while you're studying in Amsterdam. There are several different options for students who want mental health care. CIEE Amsterdam has 3 types of recommended resources: private practice, UBA resources, or going through the Dutch healthcare system. The first of our recommended resources is psychologist Clint Steenveld. Clint has been working with CIEE students for many years. His psychology practice is a private practice, which means a visit costs around €100. While you will need to pay this up front, mental health costs are covered by your INEXT insurance, so you can submit these costs as a claim after your visit. You can contact Clint through his info listed here, or you can visit his website for more info. Therapist Robin Roberts has also been working with CIEE students for years now. She specializes in working with expats and international students when dealing with a range of feelings. She is also an American and is a great resource for students working through things. Again, Robin is a private practice therapist, so a visit will cost around €100, but it is claimable through insurance. One of the advantages of going through a private practice is that you can usually get an appointment quite quickly. The biggest disadvantage is the cost, which is high for students on a budget. However, there are other options available. The UvA itself offers mental health support to its students, so you can take advantage of these services as well. The first UvA-related resource is the Student Counselor's Office. This office helps students with study-related issues. For instance, if you're dealing with an issue that causes you to miss class, or you are unable to pay attention in class, this office can help. They can also help if you are feeling overall down to the point that it is impacting your studies. They offer coaching and advice and can give you extra support to find success in your study. The UvA also has a student psychologist office. This office offers counseling services both private and in groups. They will first have an intake appointment with a new student to get an understanding of the student's needs. Then, they'll either provide counseling and therapy or refer the students to additional resources as needed. The resources available through the UvA are free of charge to students, which is a great advantage. However, there can be a long waiting time for support through this channel, so it's good to check with them to see what you can expect and then be open to finding another path to getting support. This is where our third recommended option comes in: going to the Dutch healthcare system. As we've mentioned before, the Dutch healthcare system is organized so that you must first go to a doctor who can then refer you to a specialist. The same process goes for mental and emotional health care. If you wish to pursue this route, please first make an appointment with a Dutch doctor. You can visit the module in the community course entitled Making a Doctor's Appointment for more info and our recommended doctor's practices. At the appointment, you can talk with the doctor about your concerns, and they will then evaluate your needs. The doctor can then refer you to a specialist in mental and/or emotional care. You can make another appointment with that specialist, and then you'll be able to go to appointments with the specialist as needed. The advantage of this method is that the costs are lower than the private practice, and you usually won't have to wait too long for an appointment. The disadvantage is that you'll have 2 separate appointments, and it's a little bit more complicated overall. If you have any questions about the information in this video, or if you want a CIEE staff member to help you make an appointment, please don't hesitate to come and speak with us. We are here to support you and can help you navigate the intricacies of this process. You are not alone and will help you get the support you need.